Welcome students, this is Madhavi with you for the KingMakers IAS Academy MSLP program reflection of UPSC Mains 2024. So MSLP, that is Main Strategic Learning Program, GS4 paper, how it has reflected is what we are here, the testament to the quality and the effort of all the R&D team coming up with this UPSC prediction for the MSLP test papers. So here we have 90 out of 250 marks. This is only for the reflection on the theory part of ethics paper. So here we have this GS4 2024 questions which has been asked by UPSC, and here we have this MSLP. This is a reflection both on the sectional test and the 1000+. So we have lots of questions which are being connected with the current affairs, that is the emerging technologies, how it is being impacting the ethical dilemmas or ethical issues that is faced by the civil servants. So here there is a question about artificial intelligence. Here there is a question about the ethical dilemmas due to the emerging technology. So the context or the theme of this question is almost the same. And even here, exact content has been asked in UPSC as well as in our MSLP GS 4.1 question. This is about the dimensions of ethics, and here also see we have this different dimensions of ethics. And look at here, we have a question about the peace. So there is a question about peace, and here there is a question about the ethical consideration of deployment of autonomous military drones. So there are questions which we have connected the ethical issue on the emerging technology. So there are two questions on emerging technologies and the war, and here there is two questions on the emerging technologies and autonomous military drones, and here there is a question about environmental ethics that have been asked in UPSC. Similarly, we have this in MSLP 1000+ program. So 1000+ is a flagship program that has been given for the students so that they're getting all the fodder points for attempting any kind of question that can be asked in the same area with the maximum dimensions that are possible. So this is how we are able to predict the UPSC, and we are able to give the confidence and the fodder points for the students. So there is a question about mindless addiction to form, the this is about the civil servant question, and there is similar question on procedural justice. That is the part of the governance, and there was an exact question on code of conduct and code of ethics, and here we have a question on code of conduct and code of ethics. So only seeing the theory part, we have been able to predict 90 out of 250 marks. We have neglected case study because there can be some contradictions, but we have able to come up with a similar area, but the framing of the question would have been very different because it's a case study. We could not give an exact replica in this reflections, so we have neglected that, but in theory itself is giving a lot of confidence because it's very difficult paper, because the questions have been very, very broad and very innovative, because it's very, very long to understand and read and understand the question. So I think the students would have done very well. All the best.